Hello, this is John Diaz here, presidential candidate, looking at a Kubota tractor. This is a pretty big one, guys. Model M9540. It's a pretty big rear wheel, at least over 4 feet, getting close to 5 feet tall rear wheel. This front one's pretty big too. This is John Diaz, independent presidential candidate here in South America in Bogota, Colombia. Look at that beautiful front axle. You got the weights here up front. Nice exhaust. Got a big diesel engine with the filters there for easy service. Got these forklifts here. Got another forklift. All capitalism in motion, guys. They got these big rims on the pallets. Looks like rear tractor rims for Kubota. More hand pallets. A lot of attachments. Looks like tillers for tractors. 3-point hitch tillers. Boy, that tractor back there is pretty gigantic. A lot of big tractor tires and rims. Then we got the Valtra, another dealership here. Brand new tillers. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Big, look at those big tines there. The big output shaft implement there. Connection point. Got another one right there with the shaft. Then we got a Valtra tractor with all the counterweights. Look at that radiator there. All the radiators. Looks like it's got air conditioning with the air filter up front. Four-wheel drive. This thing's a beast. Personally, I've never seen, I think I've seen a Valtra before. I don't know exactly where they're made, but this is a big one. The door is actually open. Thank you for watching. This is John Diaz here, independent presidential candidate, just looking at capitalism in motion. Look, this is one of the few records that I've seen here in Colombia. We got a record tow truck here. This one here is used for towing large trucks. Mercedes-Benz, guys. Products from all over the world here in Colombia. That's what capitalism means, guys. Got this beautiful international semi. Thank you for watching. This is John Diaz here in Bogota, Colombia. Independent presidential candidate running for the 2024 presidential election. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, please share, subscribe. Have a good day.